Mheshimiwa Kibageni. Na kiyo
Diamond.
No, lero na mwangu tayari because I have a few things that go koboli na it has been a while since to meranity. Tora tereke mbaka keiga. Egere tora ko soli na ndengo ko saba. Obe loud yake ko correspond egere. Esengenzo kame. Bono Mheshimiwa Kibageni kwanza habari ya gasi.
Mbia mono, mbia tole. Kere wache kwango sege kuro to begete.
Ege koro teke.
Kenge gia Bamriat.
Ege Bamriat.
Karibu sana,
karibu sana. Ege kia basani, babo Justin Bieber na bako beki.
Na bako beki, bako Diamond. Asante sana.
Una kia gasi.
Ega asimbiere. Tokwera nilimbia mono asenya sae na bananchi bato eteri bagato bakolere gasi. Kitutu chache South Mbiere. And we are pushing on legacy ya bananchi bato.
And congratulations, into our report yalinga you are one of the best performing MPs.
Yeah.
Rende bono to sinunga abajumba abande ngaibarabo ngakipesa inunga imokuru sibata iko nyora barabo.
Kero mujumbe ngo korale gasi according to priorities che constituency yae. Mbale abwate priorities chinde probably chi project yako chigana chirache koreka na baadaye mbale tu akora kodri chikasi kidogo. Actually ega ndo tu akoleta in our constituency yentege tangani was to kokora chi project ya tige tuna Jimmy Angweni tugacha tugakora chirichia kore chia tige tuna honorable Richard Onyonko Yoromo Senator tukamanya kuchaka chi project chini ya so that is the priority we had. And then yendo kenna ento gateba eto gotema kere school ose kere e ward e feel chibese chichia CDF igo every school in our constituency ya nyore bese kidogo chichi project either nechi nyomba choko chenu ose ebirasi ose chi lab ose fence depending on priority ye school we so tuatemire go kuna every school elinde kero montanya areko feel that ebese ya CDF ya kunirekera kona ifo
kero kendo na kero kwa abantu banya gotanga eko na rata arekusia Bawanya watanga Mheshimiwa Kibageni ndinero governor yaito the third Kibageni the third ekina kindo choka ke kale ko trend ya matuka Kibageni the third
Kibageni the third eto whatever amen nesaiga kuigura chinchira na botogo cha kuikabu aseboniga we are supporting our brother Governor Simba Arati anyare gukore term yae 2032 onya bantu bakusiba kwa amua batoeri bagatonyare ko bobo governor we county area we will be able to take it up tunyare gokorera abantu baite gasi lakini igento kia muhimu boniga no gotema go transform Kitutu Chache South and that is why toko korachi project every school nkoro story paka chi project che aba chief chi obisi chief and to arosti police station and then toka ntoko korachi project inde chi nyinge chiko konya paka community again tuna projects chi amache within our constituency to atemire buna kurungincha tu Rosia tugacha tukarosikia mwasi goralie polytechnic nebwate a bit of a challenge lakini the contractor is going back to make it. There are 2-3 projects chitali goronge chitu atebiri abantu baitu ba CDF committee mbaba sagwakana mpaka chi project chichinyare korosi uchiwe goronge but we are doing our best na intwe kereto kore project we involve the community neba ne a contractor no monto korokutotebe Albert Amenya ekero wike ground igari ko kolegasi abantu bali boko igotogutumia abantu be community elinde na baro banyare go feel part of this process.
But Mwesh, how do you endear yourself into the hearts of the people because abantu bange bakwanje tana realize nga muntu yani everybody go ngakibagende how do you do that?
Again tukia muhimu taitengo tebia sesiasa yeto nanyora number 1 kolegasi yento kia kabere no kobana raia okobana raia no koraki ogotege regento keribago te singe njubuna eko rogo support Ruto sana lakini ekene nkerina ki Ruto saliriense yaito bono ekerengo tenena na teba Ruto goto umisare nechibange chichiae amangana ya housing shateli gokora oroche ngotoliana ni bale amangana mange ebina bie bintu raia na baro bataite gokoraki bataite kuigo tote bie serikali ekene ekile ebintu nago te
that brings me to that reminds me in as much as Ruto failed in Kororande mostly advocate ya Fred Matiang'i advocate ye nena ko tanga mo eri ko tero ko mo bwata ari nga Matiang'i ngochari is Matiang'i coming?
Yes, Matiang'i is the next president of the Republic of Kenya. Matiang'i kero monto Kenya na manya tena ki kero monto including yourself no maite omonto ranyare go tuo maruta murusio no monto korokuna ki Fred Matiang'i is a performer. Mtu aroche gasi akorete when he was in the Ministry of Information. Ekerarenge Ministry of Education. Ekerarenge Ministry of Interior. Na endo wente kumanya when Uhuru was the president second term, omonto renge bune deputy president orego kolega asikenye ngima every ministry Fred Matiang'i. And that is why Kenyans are saying Fred Matiang'i ache kokonye nsei onongo chanago kumya inki otari go support ni Matiang'i asenge ncho yake
ya ngo mo support
abantu bakoro kwa bayikoyo Kenyambi bamwire ngo mo support bale na inuma ete bali ase bamwire bakobeke ekura oine ro monto go chikoira bono batigani na Ruto boni ige bale no monto korokuna ki Fred Okengo Matiang'i doctor umumuroso omete na ndo mumuromo lemu obwato rato gori risari gere Ruto amaiso imamu boli naki nkaiji bese chintu chiashakire nkaiji bese chiabari mukire inki otari komentera abakenye meshahara kibese mukunya kugacha mwachi kugorera abantu uyu nere tutagitache abe president ya Kenya
this one nene Matiang'i abantu bata anyway bago tayaro muoba but isn't timing key because ndi yako chagocha when is the right time gocha iko gocha kera bantu bangire mikakati ba spendiri babo Kalonzo ko morochi kasa kera hituko erachi chechi gwichinchiro chi atemire gendeke miaka ne miaka basinyiro erega gocha iga tanya kotuna nono bomsie ta abalende bantu baligero limbachi kondama eko era mbai kutaka koigo tanya kutenena tanya kuino ekura na egwe ganga bono na
tali koewa tuge ke tokolia Matiang'i ga koewa asingincho ya his performance history his track record naende Matiang'i entekago kora is purely strategic ase igendo ko laws of power igendo ngereke ko kuna too much circulation spoils the price oboto bwate
48 laws of power
ile tamaa tuko naye ya kuvuruta ya Matiang'i hiyo ndio imefanya aba Kenya bonsi pibaligeretina indi Matiang'i yo agocha Matiang'i yo bono ni ngoyo na kimonto itakario mokongu okogosa Ruto paka Ruto atete kumubwata muntu utakario mokongu paka Ruto akobeka akunya korosi committee ebina barone bakumubwata. But I want to tell you Matiang'i na ika Kenya Ruto takumubwata for more than 1 hour igako enda record statement na enda irane Kenya sheria nero
moko mwadu ba isira tiko boba
omuntu okoro Matiang'i tari muoba igaro muntu bwata masikani asago kolega si World Bank na bwata contract itu amubendere
contract yera na ko buense
na he has terminated na kiki terminated this contract. He is now coming back to come and serve this country. Ngochare wiki ko seywe gocha kwanza ara akora introduction yege ntoke ko team ya
ara umira ko tawote ngocha
ya tuone ko ninje ko hotel
ona egwante
ninje na hotel ngochare wiki latest early next week Easter no are either Easter or immediately after Easter ache au merechi team chibisha kumbara ko nikome aya obnobo limutaraika igoro no are nge launch ile tab kia matakagwa in Washington igo taraika in Atlanta igo taraika Kenya abago kwa na igo mbali batumire ne state kotema konya ko oro kibina Matiang'i pengine te nigabwa togo. But I'm telling you Matiang'i is coming and he is going to fix this country. This country needs a Mr. Fix It, and that person is Fred Matiang'i.
In the event that he does not show up completely abantu buna inuko nyomoko mwakere kokoiga mwa musupportili nechinguru chena resources chenu na imora biseme tukose
ntokwe bisa senyencho that is a cause
because abasokie na I will not wish for that to happen.
Again tongo saba Fred Matiang'i we've spoken. He has said he's coming for this seat tago to sokia na endege ntonda etengoteli Matiang'i ngochare asenyencho egente ke squeeze Kenya no ligereri wetangule garo mo speaker with 4 MPs only omonto koroku speaker ya Senate igare no muchumbo ya mogose bono Matiang'i tigacha bwaterane na abande acha irobo president gose baikaranse baigwane ayego ko irobo president ayego prime minister ayego speaker tonyare gore nto gonchorerie nsei babwaterane ere rigiji mondo ku Kalonzo babo wa Malwa babo natembea abantu ku Coast Province from across they are ready. These people are ready. They are ready to work with him.
Can Kalonzo shelve ambitions chair is the most senior most bigger?
It is not about seniority. It is about Ruto Tabeti president quite young, even Uhuru Kenyatta. Raila is older than them.
Experience in terms of experience.
Now Matiang'i is purely experienced. Na Kortegasi for the past 10 years.
Anyway, into akwa negora performance here project chair. I'm sorry to ask you this. There is a guy who is about Chinkondi, and I'm sorry I'm asking you about him because one of Tuarega Goeto Korkubena Nyamwaru. There is a guy in Koguno Kitutu North Rogoro. Lakini rende ebitina abwate binge nkorra go chapa ndawata go Kitutu South yes kibagendi. Omonto yonki moko buna ege ko era bantu ngota bana enkondi go na era konya ko minyoka iga. Inki moko buna no monto.
Omete gwa kwanire kene ekorote kia ngenda te gwa dmai ekorai mukiwe ba bantu baro
ena ikle
asante bono umumroyo koro Bernard Nyamwaro is a busybody. Everybody knows him korugusi. In fact na teba tinko moiraneri lakini asengencho kwa goririe. That's
I know no I'm lowering you to that lakini I'm sorry
lakini naye kwa saba interview Nyamwaro is a regular busybody in Kisii. Edem which go take advantage of fear na go blackmail abantu or handouts. That is what he does. Bernard, you'll allow me to take about 3-4 minutes to explain. Okay. Nyamwaro has been a friend to me. Not a friend, close friend, lakini umontolia ogotema ko tumia chimbinu hao ko extort other MPs, ko extort pakaba alimu. In the recent past, in 2022, Nyamwaro iga antebetie, iga abwata registered abantu 2,000 Nyankongo polling station. Nkamotegrenda introduce even to their leaders abantu no 200 ndaba umera elinde torore na kitoko bwatera na banko anyachikura. Akangoncho kanani, he never introduced me to anybody. Nkanyora, he's just a fake person. Number one, otali waka kura Kitutu South, waka so gon Kitutu North. Lakini igago take advantage. While I respected him, asengencho na rekora engakimere na rekorwa niongwaye sana. Womeri na dinari ko moikange twarwa niongwaye. Lakini ongwaye abwata mabera. Oligereria kamonta akafuna kare machete kwanyora umurangiri omurigirega umurangeria omwachi handout, you know. Ongwaye used to be lakini gononche I don't work like that. I don't get blackmailed. Igotigaga endergo cross TV chiae chiogotema ko blackmail lakini ndete na ndentebe. The things this young man is talking about is a demonstration of ignorance and lack of information. Mchebuna Anthony Kibagendi a constituency and asenge nchonko wanye president mono. No eno monto mbekere a fund manager okolenda chibese che constituency iga ko resolve president. Ga ko kimtai kero monto namo maete. Ogokore gasi ayebia lakini ondendete timba sa komesa asenge ncho onye ndirinje nasalirie bese no ene siringi ninjanga mbekire pingo mutangani lakini wega ko nyoba chibese chebiru 5 million 3 million yet
tamanye
procurement procedures
es kama somo na
ko basokelinde baadaye ko baande chip chat umumuro yo koro ku Nyamwaro ari ko nsuguma moe ebiasara byogo drill amache tibogo nkanyora tabwati no company igabwato musani oe nero bwate company etabwati no masakara. Number 2, I cannot influence procurement procedures in my constituency. Asengencho yake procurement ne bwate procedure na ende nje mnako wanye serikali tari raisi ndanyare go influence. Number 3, agata ekere eyamo sinya nkamotegendo rore chairman ya CDF bako introduce aso monto agasinyo agacha akagonta ibona igatete moebirasi agacha nkanyora tabwati company igatete I breach the procurement processes which na koro WhatsApp message na ndo mumuro igabwate chisimi gose nikomi econman, you know how common
no operate
yeah bono
akombranga gakwende gako kose nkongoto mole
na chake organization gete koro kuna juhudi ya Africa gose ne CBO gose ninki agotumia go extort umaite gento kiagera ko nigage chiri igachi go extort chi principle ne chi headmaster in my constituency otemire Kitutu North ya sinyire ochire Kitutu South na kimuro chago kogera iga mono ati go extort ya bali muna project gitete ko liboronge abali makambuli ya ningo una juhudi ninki go through the Ministry of Education go through the Ministry of Education omanya go che school una nche the issues to do with CDF nchene patron I'm not involved in the day-to-day activities tia CDF abantu bari involved ne district accountant a fund manager a chairman ya CDF a secretary ya CDF na committee yabo na babu ikaransa ekerto igwana ndirichi project basukuma and let me tell you CDF project se chigo koruiga number 1 moko kora public participation kermo akora public participation eskuruwe yateba ebatagete echo ne lab ne chikoni eye batebe bataite e lab ekerasi ne fence yende ateba iga chief nero yateba na intunto bwati obisi tuacha tu ikaransa tu collect tuarora the urgent and practical needs in the community mwalimu wote yana nche nonye kintagite lab hakikorato konya chinyumba chyobo chenu oyo ndote agachi school yaita bante bago chabali si school korato bekere fence abande you know and then again tekia to Nairobi kerekia to miru Nairobi as a NGCDF board Nairobi using yomonto korwe QS mwana ulitama itino taragacha no ne cho amanye simiti ne chibese irenga echuma ne chibese irenga na kiyomonta go kora tendering process ekere ikire Nairobi as a NGCDF board ba decide echo onyene onyomba yo bachene ugwate chi emirango etano they know how to quantify onyene kerasi they know how to quantify using a quantity surveyor omaite chisimiti chiko ndoni irenga chichuma ni irenga nebintu bunebyo ekero baruro bakorire this inventory bamanya gotuma back to the constituents babegete ekerasi babegete totebe 1.5 million FNC school gete babegete totebe 2.5 million gose 3 million gose 5 million depending on the size a lab babegete totebe 2 million gento gete babegete this amount why they use a quantity surveyor tali kibage ndio go decide necho yebekere 600,000 yende yebekere 800,000 that is not how it works
no mba komanya bana
igwa bono lakini ekerago kwana igura kugene master kumbe ne language yobo conman yobo con even the public this young man is a conman I'll show you texts from him ako ngai na mpaka buna abwate chintaka na gosomi obolimo motebi ndete rende chi death certificate torrego sento bakonye basari nothing o chabono mbeteri paka na mwakash na ndeta abwakana wono na reko gote about CDF projects ekere kire constituency what happens the CDF committee ngote batomeirwe na budgetary kwerende ekere bako kora that allocation here in Nairobi through the NGCDF board eba kuligereri ekerasi eketokobeka 1.25 million umuntu oyo agache totebe na 700,000 arwo akane tax ya 100 was 200,000 arwo atigare ne faida yae ya 200,000 those are the considerations they take tadi nanki bage ndio wekana zote bagabeka 5 million igabeka 3 million na kiki ankorago kwa nagia naende nowadays he associates with some of my opponents abantu batasome tibiye bata understand the procurement processes batamanye tige tugego chagiako and again ekero CDF mwate brinko rosimule chinyomba cyo bachenuga classes iga FNC iga lela buga echikoniga after 1 year auditors bacha aligere last financial year mtu abachi bese mugata yanko rosimule neke bachiekia onye nkeyo egekobekwa se audit report ekimoko rabi chigo soke ngaseti mkwanya kondora ginkoli kwenga seti about an audit report mkwanya kondora buna we have misused CDF mkwanya kondora that we have misused tibese chipara we have never mwanya gotorra in asi chinga seti audit queries chi asoka number 1 etu atebiu tutike ko abana echeke yemo it is an advice it is not a query
especially kerevale institution
yemo onyo buna iranda tuatome cheke yemo ne list
yeah.
onyo Kenya hai tuatome cheke yemo ne list onye University of Nairobi twatoma HKM ne list ya bana baro. That is the only issue that has come out. Every other issue nelie korokuna ki advice from the auditor. Lakini gako ira masakara oimoki okora video TikTok. He's a content creator, he's not a serious person. Not one keroko mboliga.
I'm very sorry, we've taken a lot of time.
Why naira neria for long omaete abantu kusimba mumanyete bamumaete bune nkondi extortionist. Lakini abantu in the diaspora nao barabe mbamumanya na bua bunare kwa address iga elinde bamanya. So I was telling you about the CDF projects. Ekeremu akolire yarosiwe umuntu olitagwa kanwa onye eskuru gose chief gose DCC they approve no muntu okorokuna EQS umuntu yamanya gwakana nabona namura kago kwanira enyomba yogo chenu yeskuru kia mwasi enyomba elia why it has not been paid for 4 months is because asenare bwate crack nintwe twatebara sime contractor eirane again they chigokora
wasana contract ina ere como te ya kwa na mangana
how lakini I don't think so asini iga chaka kwa me contractor
why would it concern him
iga chaka kwa me contractor iga paka akore nto muntu ime otari contractor akore ndagete no yegwegeta egesa umorentire as a project getena is not a contractor, he does not know anything to do with construction. I think so. And I can follow up nkanyawa, it's a different person okorete that project. But iga kuna kurama all the time. Asinge ncho yake. Agotara ne opponent gete nero engabu nere. Extremely ignorant. Someone who does not understand procurement processes. Lakini gente kiyankeli na ki aba na inche kereba ko ngakera abantu kurwe ground bago te no roche vinteria abantu abako nyakora mugambia focus. Colegas yao, that is why
abantu bana nyakobora
bono na kinche ndanya ko irene na kwagera
kocha no kwata nkora ngiye joma tinko sunyumba
buna nje bono na machi na agende kanisa igari Kiongongi the other day Kiongongi Catholic Church ya watu muchango akagenda umuntu uyu opponent yeyo umanye how unexposed he is no muntu okugogoria abantu 30 ogenda na bwe function umanya komoa umanya kobakira umuntu 200 ekera ruru muchango bacha bamusindikisa rorekana na bwataba abantu oruona endo genda amatanga nabantu abo ekera kurama bamuakira chinkobi paka benyeji beri iba uchoka bakubina bantu kia bagwa ka chinkobi for such a stupid utterance you know umuntu oteneto bo MCA akagwa akanyora 1300 votes gakiache kumyoka na inchi na akorega asiarorekanete inchi na ikire every part of the constituency inchi na akunire almost every church. I've gone to every school. I give bursaries to everyone who applies. Lakini ebalega galo de bursary yaibirwe mbama ite bursary neko bamanage omuntu kuibe bursary injanga ruto mbwati
mbama itinga kibe bintu bigoko
anyway so elinde tokore omumuro yo my fear is this na raiga kora magavana na rega kurama
bena nyamwaro
ngakora governor na ende nyugweto chaka go chacho morugwe governor na ntomere bese timbu at school fees ya bana nini no muntu omenyete chirandi bosongaria tane kuagacha no encho. That is why he keeps talking about projects that he does not understand.
Lakini rende
igwa na endo chaka gusaba omorugwe mo governor chibese iga kurama barongo tamaiti no ene their priority projects iga kurama iga chikora MP akitutu note kamoigno mpaka bono msauti ya chile na nyugwete bono mbu machoge you know he's running all over the place.
No,
so my fear is this umuisi yongwa kwale bobesana igwa
kobanga naye kwa
bono na kie kingotebera kagwa kwa gakimoteba ninje na machikwa ku Kiongongi ngateria abantu please don't momo kuna lakini what if it happens igakora everybody. You see, I wanted to ignore him like governor has been ignoring him, like Baronga has been ignoring him, like Jafo has been ignoring him. But I think in Chokwamboli na kiagera, but take through some of these things.
Anyway,
no ene para, tama iti para chia kera, chia 10%, chia 22%, each county he does not know. Tama iti when in my committee can decide. Again to get savings, I can achieve a theater kaigo. Bagende bakwa nene county. babatebie pare na abantu baitego konya inumu bwati ase budget ntogote matoro si pare, and we do that with our MCAs very perfectly well. The beggar does not understand. Iga gote na digererie pare yo gotuma abantu bao obo nini, he does not understand. E para kere korosio e para nere rabe 2 kilometers ebe ke 2 million shillings. Ne para endebe 1 kilometer ebe ke 3 million shillings. Why? The quantities of work that will be done there. Okonyore mo article for too long. Egwende ko be kwa makarabati, erosio drainage, erosio nini, you know. So those considerations just make it a little more expensive. Lakini Montoya, yani I'm disappointed I've spoken about him for
too long. I'm sorry I brought it up. Lakini nende kwa expounded.
Yes.
At least the people will understand.
Yeah.
Lakini nende my advice to you. Such people mbaro. Na ndabona keraka arore kamraka arore no gochira gote attention ya omo gosekenda ngire oborongo so aboro buganga abumbaro, that is how they operate. Lakini don't give it energy awe nyingi
so that is why I've not been giving it energy.
Anyway, koto gokora because ndo chinga kichatoire
matiangi ngocha na kibono utete ngote matiangi ngocha
mheshimiwa confirm ni matiangi ngocha yeye gose early next week.
Yes.
Bona atacheti mwaro rendo umugambira rutoja kobolia the third na rutoja kobolia na imatiangi yana
the third kanyago nsabera nyasaye na baba
igorere yero bantu batebire and you have my blessing
no mo tutu
tonge bae
tingo kweba
tonge
na kwa eso gotaraiga TV kichego cha kwaro squara kwani kana liawe
lazima ngukwani naye tubwata alibono.
Asante sana
ochego kukoteka over kurweso mheshimiwa Simba.
Asante na ndeke role town ya waitera obisia babo brand na ores no bale na
etimwero ayaya egento kerokia I give it to you. You have the best team.
I have a very good team.
Ebijane bya monta abasomi ya kibangine yatanga I was mistreated. Everyone can attest to that.
That's very true.
Very
nature embabu atekero gocha bako echa
nature
ene batabu atinkelie kero
kediro enche tiligotumia lakini ndende anyway tikatuomera ninga kiende mbia mona sana soko tulikere na gototegero
mbia mona.